Hi, welcome. Today, I'm going to start a small YouTube channel which which is dedicated to project management. It's about the complete project management methodology. There are different methodologies like waterfall, agile, and in waterfall, agile, there are different small entities which we'll be discussing on this. So let's start. What is project management? Before we go into project management, let's understand what is project. Project is a temporary endeavor to create a unique product or services. What do you mean by a temporary endeavor? Temporary endeavor means it has a start and an end date. It cannot be continued. It cannot be an operation. A unique product or services means those products are never been created earlier, or those services are never been done earlier. So that is a unique part of it. So there can be many such kind of products which can be created. For example, we have a software application we want to create, a new, brand new, and there can be a small changes on that small software application which we can do. At the same time, we can do a increment to our infrastructure. We can create a new infrastructure, for example, a bridge or a road or a building. So those are all part of a project. PMI comes with a set of principles, set of knowledge, which says that how we need to do a project in an efficient manner. So there are 5 different process groups in a project management processes, which we will discuss now. So the one is initiating. Initiating means you initiate. How do you initiate a project? What kind of why do we need to do a project? What is the business case we have to look at? Who are the stakeholders we need to look at? Who is the business entities we have to consider? What is the number of team members who will be part of the project? Who are the project members and who are the uh, project managers in that? So that is a phase where we get the project charter signed and the approval is given. Second part is planning. We come up with various documentation and various planning procedures to understand about the project. Have a scope been planned, requirement being planned, have a resource being planned. So these are the planning procedures which helps us to understand how the project needs to be done. Next one is executing. Executing helps us to execute the project. How do we need to do it? What team needs in order to execute it efficiently? What are the ingredients we need? How to motivate the team in order to achieve those goals? How to make sure that we are achieving day in, day out in that goal. So executing tells us about that. Next one is monitoring. Monitoring works at the same time executing works as well, because monitoring helps to make the executing be on track. If there is a small change you're doing, it can be monitored with a quality check, and the quality check feedback can again make changes to the executing process. So both work simultaneously in that. And the last but not the least is closing. Closing tells us how we need to close the project. What are the documents we need? What are the knowledge base we can create out of it? Why do we need a closing actually? So closing is actually equally important because we can take the knowledge from closing to a next project which we'll be doing in the similar way. Yeah, that's all from me today. We'll have more such kind of YouTube videos. Thank you.